we are going to do the money healing, and this is the part of money healing. बहुत सारे मनी के ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, राइट? बहुत सारे मनी के ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे मनी की इश्यूज होते हैं, मनी रिलेटेड इश्यूज होते हैं. उन इश्यूज को आज हम क्लीन करने वाले हैं. Just 2 minutes is left for the live session. We are waiting for the people to get joined. Just get ready. Okay. This is today's session is related to 3 days. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. In these 3 days, we are going to clear the money blocks. Welcome everyone. Atma Namaste. Welcome in the new episode of Antas Dhyan, and we are taking the money healing series. And in this series, we are going to heal the money blocks. Welcome everyone. I salute the divinity in all of you. Let's start the session. Okay, hands on the heart. Invoke to the God. Imagine your God, your Guru, your Paramatma, ईश्वर, जिस भगवान को आप मानते हैं, अल्लाह को, भगवान को, उसे अपने समक्ष, अपने सामने महसूस करें. यस, ओके. इमेजिन द गॉड, ईश्वर के स्वरूप को, जिस स्वरूप को आप बेइंतहा प्यार करते हैं, चाहे वो कृष्णा का है, राम का है, विष्णु का है, माँ लक्ष्मी का है, गणेश जी का है, चाहे वो जैन तीर्थंकरों का है, चाहे बुद्धिस्ट बुद्धा जी का है, चाहे बुद्धा शक्य मुनि का है, चाहे बुद्धा पद्म संभव का है, जिस भी स्वरूप में आप अपने भगवान को महसूस करते हैं, अपने ईश्वर को महसूस करते हैं, फील दैट गॉड इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस. वो बिल्कुल हमारे सामने है, हमारी आंखों के सामने. बंद आंखों से, with open eyes, with closed eyes, we can see. Okay, in that sense, we are going to invoke. So, for invoking, we are touching our heart. जब हम अपने हृदय चक्र, अनाहत चक्र को टच करते हैं ना, वहाँ से एक डिवाइन फीलिंग ऑफ लव जनरेट होता है. So, let's invoke, hands on the heart, with the help and the blessings of the Supreme God. With the help and the blessings of the Supreme God, feel I am in the state of unity with my Ishvara, with my God. I am in the state of oneness, wholeness. ऐसा वन है हम अपने भगवान के साथ, complete है. We are invoking from the multiverse domains. Invoke to the God, absolute supreme God, all the great, great gods and goddesses, दिव्य माता, दिव्य पिता, ईश्वर, ईश्वर के देवदूत, सभी भगवानों को हम आवाहन करते हैं. स्पेशली माँ लक्ष्मी, गॉडेस अबंशिया, लॉर्ड कुबेर, जिसने हमारे अपने द्वार, अपनी वेल्थ के द्वार खोल रखे हैं हमारे लिए. द डोर्स आर ओपन. Feel the doors are open. Abundance of prosperity angels, money healing angels, abundance of love angels. Invoke all of them. Genuine love, joy, glory. Feel the bliss. Feel the bliss and feel the divine energies flowing from the universal supreme God is flowing on to us, entering into our pituitary plexus. Pituitary gland में जा रहा है, pineal plexus, thyroid plexus, heart plexus, solar plexus, into the superior mesenteric plexus or inferior mesenteric plexus. The energy is flowing into my entire body. Feel the power of God. Just sit in a relaxing position, face hands facing upward. Just tune in. Tune up. Feel from the physical body, etheric body, we are flying into the another planes. Feel we are connecting with the power of Supreme Parabrahman. We are touching the God, touching the Supreme God. Feel the divine energy. जैसे ही हम अपने ईश्वर, अपने भगवान को छूते हैं ना, वो सुनहरे रंग की ऊर्जा हमारे शरीर में दौड़ना शुरू होती है. Feel that power, that real genuine power, love, abundance is flowing on to our entire body. Feel our entire mind, left brain, right brain, front, middle, back of the brain centers are filling with that golden energy. Eyes, ears, nose, entire skin are filling with the golden energy. Our respiratory organs through nose. The golden energy is going into the nose, windpipe, into the lungs, spreading into the entire blood. The golden energy is going into our mouth, into the teeth, gums, in the tongue, in the entire throat cavity, in the entire esophagus and the stomach, an entire abdomen region is filling with the golden healing light. Where there is any blockage, be cleansed and purified. All the blockages are clean, are cleansed. All the blockages are cleansed. The energy from the Supreme God is flowing through your skin into your entire body. With every pore of your body, the energy is going into the entire body. All the blocks are cleansing, increasing the more space. Feel the energy frequency, feel the wavelengths and the information coming from the God. महसूस करें उस फ्रीक्वेंसी को, उस पावर को जो ईश्वर से हमारे अंदर बह रही है, into our entire liver, in our kidneys, in our sexual organs, in our hands, in our legs. Focus on your basic chakra. Feel the energy is flowing onto the spinal cord. Feel the golden energy through your spinal cord, in the base of the spinal cord is going down, 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 deep into the Mother Earth. Send the 10 feet, 15 feet. Energy is going 15 feet down, 30 feet down. We have lots of money blockages. The blockage is what we think. जो हम सोचते हैं वो हम क्रिएट करते हैं अपने फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में. All the blockages that we think about money in this incarnation are going down deep into the Mother Earth. Be dismantle forever. Dismantle forever. All the money blockages coming from my family beliefs be dismantled and destroyed, demolished now. Feel it is going down deep into the Mother Earth with the beat. When we grow up, when all the beliefs that we are facing, we are experiencing about the money, जो हमारी फैमिली ने हमारे अंदर भरा, in our DNA. Are you ready to release all the money blocks in your DNA? Say, yes, I am ready and I am releasing and dismantle all these barriers now. 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 Say, I am eradicating all my family money blocks or legacy of my family money blocks. Release now. Release now. All forms of blockages that पेड़ पे पैसा थोड़े ना उगता है. Release that into the earth, deep into the core of the earth. Say, extinguish this energy forever, ever, ever. Release all the blocks. पैसा कमाना बहुत मुश्किल है. ये हमारे डीएनए में भर देते हैं पेरेंट्स, फैमिली, right? Say, I am releasing all these thought processes now into the earth. Keep your hands down and feel the energy is going down, 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 deep into the Mother Earth. All forms of money blocks, all the blockages in the chakras, trapped in our crown chakra, third eye chakra, Agya chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus chakra, navel chakra, sixth chakra, or the entire basic chakra. I am releasing. Release now. Release now. 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 बहुत सारे फैमिली ब्लॉकेजेस होते हैं, बहुत सारे फैमिली ब्लॉकेजेस होते हैं। उन फैमिली लेगेसी मनी ब्लॉकेजेस को हम रिलीज करते हैं। Say after me, I am releasing, I am releasing, I am releasing, I am releasing that family blockage, that legacy I am following. Say, I am releasing now, now, now. Money is very hard to get, money is very hard to save. Say, now I am releasing. Say, I'm crushing those points from my mind, all those belief systems. I am terminating forever. Say, terminate, 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 terminate. Rich people are snobs. They mean they are greedy. Release all these. Say, terminate, terminate. All the bad things are because of money. I terminate all forms of subconscious attitude in my mind, bored in my mind by any person, any being in my DNA. I terminate all the belief systems lodged in my DNA. I terminate. जितने भी सिस्टम बिलीफ सिस्टम हमारे डीएनए में बने हुए हैं, हमारे फैमिली से आए, फादर साइड से, मदर साइड से, किसी भी साइड से, आई टर्मिनेट। or coming from their parents, coming from our ancestors, हमारे जीन्स में जो लॉक हुआ है, I open those lock, I open those lock, I open those lock. All the fear related to money, I terminate, I release. सी मनी की जो लेगेसी है ना, वो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन पास डाउन होती है। सो रिलीज दैट। आई एम रिलीजिंग ऑल दोज इम्प्रिंट्स ऑफ मनी blocks in my life faced by my ancestors in their life. I release all the inner critics, the critical voice, जो वॉइस हमारे माइंड में चलती है, all those inner critics, all those inner voices, I am releasing forever, forever. Release, 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 root down. वो जो हेड में चलती है ना, voices of ego, I release those critics, those energies. I'm releasing, I'm releasing, I'm releasing, I'm releasing, I'm releasing. Listen to your voice. अभी आपके अंदर कुछ voices आ रहे होंगे जो आपके पेरेंट्स ने, आपकी ग्रैंड मदर, ग्रैंड फादर, चाचा चाची, किसी ने ना किसी ने भरे होंगे। से आई एम रिलीजिंग। भाई रिच तो हो ही नहीं सकते। रिलीज। रिच होना तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। रिलीज, 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 रिलीज। प्लीज से आई एम रिलीजिंग फॉर एवर। आपकी अपनी कोई मनी की स्टोरी होगी, आपका कोई अपना मनी का ब्लॉक होगा। यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स your story, your issue related to you, related to family. Crush down those, crush down those, crush down those. Let's release. अब हम क्या रिलीज करेंगे? All the forms, जितने भी फॉर्म्स बने हुए हैं, जितने भी स्ट्रक्चर्स, जब हम सोचते हैं तो हम बहुत सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स बना लेते हैं। सो रिलीज। से आई एम रिलीजिंग all those structures. Release all those structures, all those energies, all those thoughts, all those programmings, all those powers. release from my entire domain, beyond my sense feelings, beyond my the multi universes, beyond all the domains. सारे खंड में जितना भी ऐसा नकारात्मक ऊर्जा मेरी ऊर्जा के साथ कनेक्ट है, से आई completely, deeply, permanently, forever dismantle and demolish this energy. Now, now, now. Hands on the heart. Feel the goddess Lakshmi in front of us. Feel the goddess Lakshmi in the receiving position. Mahalakshmai Namaha. Om Mahalakshmai Namaha. Om Om Mahalakshmai Namaha. Om. Receive the abundance. We all are aligned. Our wavelengths, frequencies of energy body are aligned with Goddess Lakshmi, with Lord Kubera, and Lord Ganesha is continuously removing all our blocks coming from our generation down, 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 coming to us. All those belief systems, all those genes, and lodged in our DNA. I am ready to release Lord Ganesha. Please release and remove it forever, all the obstacles in our life. With the power of Goddess Lakshmi, we are receiving abundance of success, abundance of money, abundance of prosperity in our life. Say, I am money, I am space, I am energy, I am purity, I am creation, I am the one, the true, authentic self. Thank you, Supreme God, Divine Father, Divine Mother, all the great, great ones, Holy Gurus, Holy Masters, Saints. Thank you. Thank you, all the gods and goddesses, all the healing angels, healing ministers. Thank you, thank you, thank you with deep gratitude, respect, and love. Thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being in the session. I hope you love the session. I'm waiting for your subscription, sharing, and आप सबके कमेंट्स का तो बहुत इंतज़ार रहता है। कोई भी डाउट है यू कैन आस्क। Okay, today we remove the generational issues. Tomorrow we will take one lemon and day after tomorrow take some rice. Okay, we will clean our entire body with that lemon and clean all the money blockages from our system with that lemon. Okay, and second point is whenever you feel heavy after the session, you can go for a walk and ask from the universe. Be open to the universe because the greenery is the best way to enhance your powers. रिमेंबर ऑलवेज। आत्मा नमस्ते। आप सभी को पूजा का बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। आप सभी के कारण ये चैनल चल रहा है और ये सिर्फ डिवाइन की वो ऊर्जा है जो मेरे थ्रू पास ऑन हो रही है। मैं सिर्फ एक चैनल हूँ। रिमेंबर दिस, आई एम जस्ट द चैनल। You can take the money healings for your improving your money, improving your business, improving your job or a job increment, you can take the paid healings for that. Or you can take the physical healings, like if you have suffering from any physical issues like arthritis or cancer or any kind of diseased energies, we can heal together all these things. You can learn all these process, all these healing process. Thank you so much. Atma namaste. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The session is over.